Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download PPSSPP games on Android. Let's begin. First, open the Play Store and download the PPSSPP emulator. Once it's installed, don't open it yet. Now open Google or any web browser to download a PSP game. If you already have a game file, you can skip this step. In the search bar, type something like PSPROMS and open a trusted website. These sites usually have a large collection of PSP games. Find the game you like, click on it, and download the file. Follow the on-screen instructions. Keep in mind that PSP game files are usually large, around 1 or 2 gigabytes, and sometimes even bigger depending on the game. Once the game is fully downloaded, now launch the PPSSPP emulator. The app will ask you to choose a folder where PSP data will be stored. Tap OK, and it will open your phone's internal storage. Create a new folder and name it PPSSPP. Then tap Use this folder so the emulator can save its data there. After that, you'll be taken to the main screen of the emulator. Since this is your first time using it, your game library will be empty. To add a game manually, tap on Browse and navigate to the folder where you downloaded your PSP game. Make sure your game file is in ISO or CSO format and that you legally own the game. Before playing, it's a good idea to check the settings for better performance. Go to the graphics section. You'll see 2 main rendering options, Vulkan and OpenGL. Vulkan is usually better for performance on low-end devices, while OpenGL may give better visuals on more powerful phones. You can start with Vulkan and switch to OpenGL if your device runs smoothly. Next, go to the Controls menu. PPSSPP allows you to fully customize the touch controls. You can change the size, position, and layout of the buttons. If you're using a Bluetooth controller, you can disable the on-screen touch controls completely. In the system settings, there are many options available, but for most users, the default settings work perfectly fine. Now go back to the main screen, tap on your game, and start playing. That's how you download and play PPSSPP games on Android. Thanks for watching.